Good morning. This is Brandon Fredrickson, and we're looking here at a chart of Institutum Technologies, NASDAQ ticker symbol INSU. Today is Monday, December 29th. It's the last Monday of 2008. This is a stock I want to look at for a number of reasons here. This is a chart, first of all, that attracted me because of the principle of relative strength. All relative strength is how something holds up relative to the market. And as you can see here, if we just simply go over this whole area here, this stock has been pretty strong and going sideways, but you can see even in this whole area here where when the stock was going up, well, that was a period when the market was very weak, and that's actually an incredible sign of strength in a stock. So that's the technical thing that we're looking at first here. With the fundamentals, this is also a very good company. There's only 6 analysts following this stock, which means it's fairly undercovered. It also has a very small market capitalization, $525 million. There's only 27 million shares in the float. This is an underfollowed type of stock, and this is actually the exact type of situation that I look for all the time. I'll be laying this out in a course soon. And the course you'll be able to get free, by the way, if you're on my email list. This is a stock that, according to Investors Business Daily, has an EPS rating of 91. What that means is that this company has done a better job than 91% of all of the companies in the whole entire market at growing its earnings. That's very powerful. Last quarter earnings grew by 65%. The quarter before that, they grew them by 111%. So this is a company that's really been, really moving its earnings forward. There's not a huge amount of debt. It's 18%. The price to earnings ratio is not tremendously high. It's on the high end of what I'd like to see for a company with the growth rate that this one has. It's 21, but it's acceptable. What I really like is that it's a small cap stock, that it's growing like crazy, and there's no analysts following it. It's also in a sector that I think has potential to do really well as Obama comes in and does a lot of infrastructure products and whatnot. They provide trenchless technologies to rehabilitate, replace, maintain, and install underground piping systems. And so I think that that's something that there's a lot of potential for them going forward. So again, this is INSU, trades over on the NASDAQ. I'll be looking to buy it if it trades right above this resistance point right here. $20 per share is a pretty heavy resistance point for INSU. If it can break above $20 per share on heavy volume, then I will be a buyer of this particular stock. My stop will be right here in the 18 area. I'll give it a little bit of room. I mean, when it hits that 18, I don't want you to think of that 18 as like a solid brick wall. Think of it more as a fence that you can kind of lean against. But if it does break through that area, then I'll be getting out. So again, this is INSU. I'll be out most of the rest of the week, but I hope you guys have had a great 2008, and I hope you have an even better 2009. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to email me.